to another video. I am recording on another device this time, so yeah. The angles probably look a little bit different. And I think I like recording off of this, pretty cool. Anywho,
I have it too. I can do it too.
So, I'm gonna try to make this video as like clean cut and straight to the point as possible. Last time you saw Ariel, she had blue, I call them like mermaid braids because the color and the way that she presented it, it was like a mermaid, and plus I named her after the Little Mermaid, so she looked like a mermaid. We took that out because we're gonna try something different this time in her hair, and I've never done it before. I've never crocheted. I'm teaching myself from like YouTube videos, so I'm watching like different YouTube videos to see which is the best way that I think I can do them, because I see that there's a lot of different ways, but I haven't seen one like video in particular that I enjoyed, except for this one girl. She it was kind of funny, and I understood what she was saying and how she was doing it. So I may refer back to that video, and I may tag her video down below. I don't know this girl from Can of Paint. I just happened to click the video. So what we're gonna do right now
I took some of the braids out.
Yeah, took the braids out. So now we're gonna go wash it. I will. Okay. I'm kind of like super tired at this point.
I'm not.
But you will be.
No, I'm not. That's because I told you I was tired when we went shopping to get some hair products. Can I show them?
Sure. Because sometimes I just like it when it's just you and I, because it's like adult to adult. Sometimes I don't really like to be interrupted in my videos, but it is what it is.
So she bought 4. Sorry. I have no idea how she's going to do this for 4. So she bought 4 of these. So I have no idea what is this, but I guess it's to make it stay.
This they said like you use this to wrap around the lock so that it can, you know, stay. So this is the pack that she also gave us.
Yeah, because I want it long and I like to put my hair in a ponytail.
And it is
because she wanted us to. She wants me to have short ones. I'm like, I want long ones. So, and first of all, I would like to put them in a ponytail.
So that's that.
It's hard to see. Well, not pretty hard, but it's pretty nice. Yeah. Next time we're gonna do colors.
They didn't have the color that she wanted, so we just went for a natural look. A natural look.
And it's black.
It's the color of
black I need.
Okay.
Look.
But
Don't it fell?
No.
I thought it broke.
But
it's my hair.
it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be an adventure, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh, and I think like I saw online, like people were doing like the rubber band technique, like they put the rubber band and they braid it, and then they do the crochet stick, which Ariel is gonna show you. That's why she's standing here, because she wants to show you guys that.
So, we got all the stuff actually for locks, because I wanted them in a ponytail. So, and so this is like. So you put your hair inside of it, and then you close it. Then you like pull it.
Oh, you saw it? How they do it?
You pull it, and then it, so I think your hair, it's gonna go inside of it.
That's my first time. I guess that's what I saw. I saw that too.
Inside of the dreads, maybe.
The locks.
Inside the locks, and I don't know.
Alright, you guys, so we're about to get ready to go wash the hair.
Wait. And then what we do? I hope we do it today.
See you.
I hope we do it today.
Yay. Okay, so if I looked annoyed in the previous clip, it's because I was. I'm like, I'm trying to talk to my moms. Like, how can I talk to my moms if my child right here? How can I talk to them? I'm excited. Are y'all excited? After I was done like detangling it and like I was done greasing it and all that stuff, I'm like, wow, this took some time. I don't think I have like the energy to like braid it. Well, okay, but anyways, here's Ariel and her beautiful hair. Look at the fluff and the strength of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair. Oh Lord have mercy. Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's so cute. I love this. When you wake up, when we wake up in the morning.
Wait, early?
Not early, no, just when we wake up, have breakfast. I will definitely be starting on her hair because after I'm done her hair, oh yes, she's cute. Because after I'm done Ariel's hair, then I will have to do Asir's hair. And I'm saving the best for last. I will be saving my hair for last.
Because Asir is like kind of fast to do.
Yeah, like so I'll probably do his hair like tomorrow night. So
No, mine's first.
No,
mine's just gonna take forever.
That's why I said I will do his hair tomorrow night. But so since we didn't finish, like maybe we can watch until
Tonight?
Yeah.
But tonight?
Yeah.
Wait, today?
Yeah, because you ain't know tomorrow. You ain't staying up tomorrow. Alright, hey you guys, we're gonna start off by doing little box braids in the back of Ariel's head. I used rubber bands first, and then after I used the rubber bands, I braided it. This is the hair that I bought. And I also bought this to twist it around. So we're about to start. So the locks already came with the hole in it. I just had to stretch it out. So here is the process that I did. As you can see, you have the box braid. This is how it looks when I put the rubber band on, and then after I do that, I go over and I braid it, which is how these braids look right here. One thing that I had to learn is that you have to leave this hook open when you are putting it through the braid. So you put it straight through and you see how it just slides right on through. And after you put this hook on, as you can see, it's already in. After you put the hook on, you slide that dread right in the hook. Make sure it stays in there, you know, like you just hooked something, and close the hook. Don't worry about nothing. Just pull that baby right on through, you know. Just pull it through. Obviously, you don't want to be too rough about it. It's going to come through. Just pull it through. That's it. That's it. So now we about to go to the next step. Now, remember that hole I was talking about that I had to loosen? I had to loosen because I had to put the lock through it along with the actual hair to make a knot. So that's what I'm doing right here. Once I got the knot in, I just pull the dread, and you can pull your actual hair too, just so that it's nice and tight. You know, it's not going to be too tight though, but it just makes a knot by itself. Now, I found out that some people was putting the actual hair in the lock, but I ain't do that. What I did was I just hid the braid behind the lock. Boom. I'm like, all right, I want it this way, so I'm gonna keep it this way, right? Let me show y'all what I did next. So remember that other packet here? Yeah, this one. I pulled it to my liking. Like I just took it out like I'm about to box braid. So I just took it out and I got enough, how much I felt like I needed. I stretched it out, and this is what I used to twist around, you know, like how they be twisting it and twisting it to make it look all messy or whatever. So I left the actual hair behind it and I just wrapped it around it. That's what I did instead of putting the actual hair inside of the lock using the crochet stick. I ain't do that. I just hid the braid behind the lock, and I just kept twisting it over. Now it's my first time doing it, so that's what I felt was best, you know. And I don't know, it was just, I just did it that way. I also did it the other way where I pulled the braid inside of the crochet, which I'm gonna show you next. Now, I'm gonna mention again, this is my first time doing it. So this is what I saw some people doing. They was taking the actual hair, like your hair, and they was putting it inside of the lock. So they used the crochet stick and they put it, put the crochet stick in the lock, right? Like same thing you was doing earlier. I got a little difficulty, right? And then they lash on the actual hair, right? I put, you know, her braided hair, and then I closed it, and then I pulled it through so that it could go through the lock. So these are the two different ones, and that's how I did it, and that's how it worked for me. So if you want to see the ending or how the whole head look, you gotta watch this full video.